sunny day, enjoying the waves, the breeze, and then suddenly, bam, a big wave hits. It catches you off guard. Your yacht starts to roll and everything goes flying. Drinks, snacks, even people trying to hold on. Not fun, right? Well, that's where stabilizers come in. They are designed to keep your yacht steady, no matter what the sea throws at you. Stabilizers help to reduce the rolling motion of your yacht, making your ride smoother and way more enjoyable. Imagine gliding effortlessly over the waves. There are mainly two types, fin stabilizers and gyro stabilizers. Let's break it down so you can choose the best one for your yacht. Fin stabilizers are like underwater wings attached to the hull of your yacht. They work by counteracting the motion of the waves. They actively counteract the wave motion, keeping your yacht steady.